Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Got the piss jugs and the goddamn extension cord tangled up here, eh?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
What up, fuckers?
In the Garage, episode 6.
We are back.
Let's party.
2015 Acura ILX. Let's go. We'll be replacing the outer tie rod, 2 McPherson lower ball joints.
Y'all know me. Still the same OG, but I've been low-key. Hated on by most of these cats with no cheese, no deals, and no G's. No wheels and no keys, no boats, no snowmobiles, and no skis. Mad at me cause I can finally feed the fam with groceries.
So you see this shit? You don't have enough clearance right here, which is no big deal. Okay, you see what I did there? I'm using my arm to push down on the arm, and I'm using the pry bar to pry up on the ball joint. There we go. Doctor, y'all go see. Listen up closely. Said Drake turned pop. The firm flop. Holy fuck, the lens is dirty. Don't like me blow steam. Keep on pushing, turn me back to the old me. First thing we do, get it started in the knuckle. But nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish and folks act like they forgot about Drake. Now everybody wanna talk like they got something to say. But nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish and folks act like they. Don't forget your cotter pin. So what do you say to somebody you hate? What? Or anyone trying to bring trouble your way? Wanna resolve in a bloody your way? Study a tape of NWA. Okay. One day I was walking by Walkman High Corner, God gave me a right there. What you looking at? Parking lot tie. I don't care if it's dark or not. I'm harder than parking a Dodge. When I'm drunk, I'll get out next to a truck in a 2-car garage. Hopping out with 2 broke legs, still trying to walk it off. Call the cops, I'ma kill the noise in the barking dog. They rolled through me and traced the fire, burnt down house, gasking in one matches in the other, still got out. Right here. From here on out it's chronic 2. Start today, tomorrow was new. Brand new. Still local enough to choke you with a Charleston shoe. Chicka slim shady, hotter than twin babies in a bitch with the windows of mid-80s. Me crazy, too hot. Calling me lady, sorry doc, I've been crazy. Ain't no way to save me, okay, go with them. There we go. Nowadays everybody wanna talk like that. They got something to say. And remove. But nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish and folks act like they forgot about Drake. Nowadays everybody wanna talk like they got something to say. And just like that. But nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish and folks act like they forgot about Drake. Cotter pin. Nowadays everybody wanna talk like they got something to say. But nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish and folks act like they forgot about Drake. Nowadays everybody wanna talk like they got something to say. But nothing comes out when they move their lips. Just a bunch of gibberish and folks act like they forgot about Drake. Oh yeah, look at the difference.
She's solid now.
Alright, there you go. Nice little quick one for you guys. Took us about 15 minutes to do 2 lower ball joints and a left outer tie rod on this 2015 4-door Acura ILX. Till next time, this is your boy TP Off for Life in the Garage episode 6. I'm out of here. Peace.